particularly the cement sector. I'll be introducing my guest very shortly, but Uganda cement industry has an installed capacity of over 7 million tons annually, significantly exceeding the current domestic consumption, allowing for exports to neighboring countries, including Rwanda, South Sudan, as well as the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, one of the sector players that are ensuring that happens smoothly is Metro Cement Ltd. And this morning, we are speaking to the Chief Executive Officer, Mohamed Amir. Most welcome to Morning at NTV, Mr. Amir.
Morning, Chris.
Great. Talk to us first about Metro Cement Ltd, and then we can get to know what your take or view is in regards to the cement sector in the country.
Okay, all right. Metro Cement, we started in 2019 during COVID, and we have been in the market for the last 5 to 6 years. We produce type of cements which are predominantly used, which is CEM4, which is the major share of the market of Uganda.
Yeah.
And now we are coming up with new capacities, which will double our capacity, and we offer more types of cement to the Ugandan market.
Okay.
The group is based in Dubai, so we have around 2 decades of experience in building and operating cement factories in UAE and in some parts of Africa. Okay. So we came in with that experience into Uganda, and quite we're happy now.
So your industry is in Mbale?
In Mbale.
In
yes.
Mbale. That is in the industrial area?
Yes, close to the industrial area.
All right. Now, you are, of course, I've just talked about the fact that we are producing a lot of cement in the country, affording to even export a lot of it to the Democratic Republic of Congo, and of course be able to support projects in Rwanda and South Sudan. What is your capacity in this particular I don't know how to, in terms of what you produce, either on a monthly, annually, what are you contributing to Uganda's cement output?
Okay. If we look at the market, the whole market of Uganda, we are in the lowest now. Because we are the new entrant and competing with the
big boys.
Yeah, the big boys of the industry.
Okay.
But we are coming up with a new capacity. So the market share of us is we are expecting to increase in the coming year. And out of, say, we can say about 1 million ton of cement will be added in the market in 2026 when we start completely a new facility.
Okay. The sector contributes about 7 to 8% of national GDP, and it's quite a backbone to the infrastructure projects that are going on across the country. Every district, every town, there's a lot of building that is going on. What do you see as the critical drivers of our construction sector? What is driving demand?
Yes, yeah. The housing is the major building houses for the people, which is their dream, and that's what most of the youth and the Ugandans are trying. So that is the major sector of for the cement consumption. But there are other. Uganda is now opening up for foreign projects, and a lot of infrastructure comes along with it. So we expect the coming years, and we see a lot of projects opening up in Uganda, which will drive the cement consumption and the construction sector in the coming years.
Quite significantly, no doubt. What would you say are the market challenges for any one player You talked about competing against the big boys. That is a challenge on itself, but I think as you grow in scale, you can beat that. Are there any regulatory hurdles that you think government should be able to rectify in order to allow for players to do business?
The statutory requirement, the standards are more or less stabilized because the industry is there for quite some time, and it is now in a very good matured industry. So UNBS is taking care of the quality requirements in the cement industry, and they have evolved with the different options. In terms of other regulations, the government have come up with a lot of a lot of incentives for the investments with the conditions. So it is not easy, but if you are performing and if you are abiding by the rules and if you are committing and you are performing what you have committed and the things, then you will get those incentives and you can develop the sectors in this country.
Okay. What is Metro Cement Ltd doing about fake cement products and durability of material?
Okay, this has been an issue we have been hearing from the market, but nowadays it has come down a lot.
Okay.
After the digitalization, the digital stamp implementation in the bags, in each and every bags, this has come down a lot, and we also ensure that the integrity we control from the factory up to the end, the shop, the hardware shops. So we look at also how it is going and how things are handling, so that there is no mislead into the fake options.
Okay. Now, there are many Ugandans out there who are concerned that employment or unemployment is a big issue, and they are looking out for firms, including cement players like Metro Limited, on how you employ, especially Ugandans. Talk to us about your numbers, but also about your policy when it comes to taking on youth and children, and also people with disability. I know cement is a high-intensive, thing. I wouldn't allow for those who are differently able to work, but there must be places where you can accommodate, especially administration, procurement.
Yes, we see, as an international company, which we are very open. Our employees are multinational, even the overseas, and here we have some foreigners, but most of our employees are Ugandans, and the numbers are close to 100 in Metro Cement. And with the new production line that we are going to start up, so we are opening up a lot of employment for the Ugandans. And this cement sector is providing quite a good opportunity for the employment in Uganda, particularly. All the cement industry, all the players. If you see the numbers compared with the similar capacity of the cement industry in another country, say from UAE, where we come from, we used to operate this plant with, say, 20 people. But here in Uganda, we are operating with close to 100 people. This increases the employment, but we also feel that is right. So to have more employees, to train them, and to develop the youth so that they can be skilled over a period of time.
Okay. And lastly, sustainability and environmental impact.
Yes.
The community where Metro Cement Limited is established, what are your support initiatives there?
Okay. In terms of environment, we are very particular in meeting the international environmental norms, and as well as the country where we are setting up. So we see we take care in the design phase, in the equipments, in the machineries, where we control the emissions less than 10 mg per nm, and we put standards and regulatory monitoring methods so that the environment is, this is a beautiful country. You see, you want a country, a beautiful country, and you want to see it like urbanization or development without disturbing the nature.
Yeah.
It was great to have that kind of idea.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Mohammed Amir, CEO at Metro Cement Limited. Thank you for the rollout of the mega industry, and as you face your competitors, we hope that the market can be very